Today I'll be sharing with you my crash course into trading, which I developed last year around December. Last year around December, I developed this crash course into trading. It was meant to be a marketing tool or marketing strategy with the company I had joined at the time, but that didn't work out, and I definitely will be talking about that in later videos. But for now, this course is really to help those people who are being introduced to the world of forex trading and may be misled or misinformed and being told to get started now, and that's why I need to get started now to make this money and blah blah blah. So this is really a course for people who are interested in forex trading and people who want to get their toes wet a little bit without being pushed into the deep end. So you definitely don't need to get started now. You definitely don't need to start spending money to learn how to trade. There are a lot of free resources online. There are also some books that you could read to learn out more about forex trading. So if you're interested in any of that, definitely stay tuned. This is part 1 of a series in this course, and I will go through step by step the fundamentals and things you need to know about forex trading before you spend any money on any investment with any broker. This is my crash course into forex trading, and it's a guide by yours truly, Tiffany Blackman. So the question we all ask ourselves is, to trade or not to trade?
That is the question.
Should we really try to do this thing when 90% of people lose 90% of their money in 90 days? That is the statistic, or one of the well-known facts once you start to do your research. But if you are completely blind, you could be easily swindled into thinking that this is something that you could pick up really quickly, that you could just follow or copy somebody else and make money. However, that is not really the case. Now, you would hear a lot of success stories, right? You would hear a lot of failures depending on where you look, and these two things are true for anything that you pursue in life, whether it be trying to find the right job for you, entering into a career, pursuing higher level or tertiary education, opening your own business. You can either succeed or fail, right? However, by the end of this course, my promise to you is that you will be better equipped to answer this question without paying a cent. So you won't lose any money, you won't mess up any of your financial situation that you're in right now. You will just get the information unbiased. I'm not selling you anything, so you would know if this is for you or if this is not for you. So the lesson plan of this course is going to be in 3 parts, and I'm covering the first part in this video. So the first part of the lesson is trading in the forex market, and I will walk you through trading in real time in the foreign exchange market without using real money, right? And this is called a demo account. So you'll be able to learn how to use the application that you need to trade in the foreign exchange market, and you don't have to use any money as yet, real money that is. The second part of this series will touch on the terminology, which is all the jargon used in the world of foreign exchange, of the foreign exchange market and the world of trading. And the third part in this video series and this course will be talking about technical analysis, so you'll be able to do a basic analysis of a chart. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to use either your laptop, your tablet, or your phone, whichever smart device that you have, and download the MetaTrader 4 app. This is the app that you're going to use in order to trade in the foreign exchange market. In order to execute a trade in the foreign exchange market, you need to open a demo account. You can do this through the MT4 app. However, I've seen that you may run into some problems in terms of getting an error message saying that you have an invalid account if you open up the demo account through the app. So I would advise that you go to the broker of your choice and open up a demo account through the broker, and then come and log in into an existing account in the app. Right, so I have an iPad and I'll be going through how to trade on an iPad. However, if you have an Android, it is very similar, just a few differences in entering the trade. For the Apple devices or the iOS devices, they have a lot more words where it might say, okay, buy or sell, or different pending orders. However, with the Android, they might just have a minus sign or a plus sign where you would see words in the iOS device. So that's the main difference, but you should be able to follow because the symbols and the words are the same on both devices, right? So the first thing you want to do is download the MetaTrader 4 app. Once you do that and you open it, it will open on the quote screen, which will look something like these pictures that you're seeing on the right, and you will see currency pairs and the corresponding price, right? So the currency pairs would be Euro, USD, GBP, USD, stuff like that, and then the price would be on the right hand side, right? You'll click on the plus sign on the top right hand corner to enter a new currency pair. You will see symbol menu pop up. Once you click on the symbol menu, a drop down list of the currency pairs will appear, and then you click on the pair that you want to add, and then you click add. Once you do that, you can now select a currency pair, and a menu with these three options will appear, either to trade, to chart, or to see details, right? You'd select chart and it will show you the current market for that currency pair. To trade from this screen, you could click trade in the top right hand corner. So in order to enter a trade, you need to select market execution on one of the pending orders. Now later on in the series, I will go through what all these words mean, right? But for now, those are the types of trades that you could enter, or the type of positions you could either buy or sell in the market, right? After you select the type of trade that you want to perform, you click either the minus, that's negative 0.01, or plus 0.01 to change the lot size. Then you set up your stop loss and you take profit, right? And if it is a pending order, you would add the entry for the pending order, and you enter these by entering the prices. So you enter the price for the stop loss, the price for the take profit, and the price for the entry if it's a pending order. Then you select whether you're going to buy or whether you're going to sell by the market. And once you do that, the trade has been entered. Once you enter the trade, back on the chart screen, you will see your trade entered and its details. So you'll see the stop loss of the trade, the entry price of the trade, and the take profit of the trade that you entered. If you want to modify a trade from this screen, you could click on the trade icon and hold down the currency pair in question. Select modify from the pop-up menu that will come up, and you can make the relevant changes. So that means you could change your stop loss, change your take profit as the market either goes in your favor or goes against you. Then you select close on the pop-up menu if you want to end the trade. Right, so as I was saying, when you enter a trade on an Android device and you want to change the lot size, you won't see the word lot size. You would see a plus and a minus sign, a plus and a minus button, and that's the button you would press to either lower your lot size or increase your lot size. But it wouldn't say the word lot size, right? Most of the other things are more or less the same, but it doesn't have the words. So for the iOS device, it's a bit more user friendly, where each function that you need to perform, the word will be right next to the icon to click. But on the Android, not everything has the words. That's the major difference. In the next video in this series, we'll be going into the terminology, and we'll be starting with things traded in the foreign exchange market. So make sure to click on the next video in this series if you want to learn more about trading in the foreign exchange market.